Hey guys, this is my 2016 F-150. Still under bumper-to-bumper warranty, but it's about to run out. I was just looking at my wheels, and I started noticing that they're starting to chip. The chrome is starting to flake off the rim where it meets the tire. This is the front wheel here, so it's just starting to chip all along the edges there. If you look at the back wheel, is doing the exact same thing. There's more up here, all along the edge. Interestingly, it's only the driver's side wheels that are doing this. And these tires are the original tires on the original rims. They've never been unmounted off this truck, so they're still as they were when they left this factory. This is actually the first winter that I've run these wheels and tires. I actually run a separate set of winter wheels and winter tires, but I haven't put them on this winter yet. So I just wanted to show you guys that. I'm not sure if anyone else has had this problem or not, but I intend to go to Ford and see if they'll cover this under warranty. Thanks for watching.